Yeah, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I'm your host, Rick. So I went to the G-Shock SoHo, New York City store yesterday, my weekly pilgrimage. And I was extremely lucky, as I am. When I do go there, I find myself to be lucky. And I was able to procure the very last Hardies NYC limited edition DW-6900HH-5. Hardee's is a skateboarding brand that was started by Tyshawn Jones, a very sick skateboarder. I don't know anything about skateboarding. I saw some clips of this gentleman, and I mean, Jesus God, yeah, he's a good skateboarder. Like I said in my other skateboard video, watch about skateboards, this amazing king, the DGK king. I'm not a big skateboarding guy. I was more of a BMX guy. But who cares? Who gives it, who cares about that? We're here about this. And limited edition. When I first started this channel, I said I was going to try to emphasize harder to find watches in addition to breaking down the watches that I sometimes do and fixing them and repairing them. And this falls into the former category where I'm showing a harder to find watch, a current G-Shock. So you see on the box, you got your Hardies H. It looks, I don't know, it looks like a Coach bag. I don't know if that's accurate. You got your death labels. We love our death labels. You got your Hardies H on this side as well. And then your tag on the bottom, your barcode DW-6900HH-5CR. 5, of course, stands for brown, because this watch is brown. 3529 module. Let's get right to it. This is a New York City company, and being that I'm a New Yorker, I gravitated towards this, and I wanted it. I'm not going to lie. I wanted it for its limited nature. I wanted it because I love 6900s. That's a cool logo there. I like the black satchel this comes in. There we go. That is nice, huh? Look at that. Looks like you got you got H's all over the dial, just like on the box. Your Hardies NYC logo. Now, I got lucky because this was the last one they had in the store. This was actually in the window. This was the display one. And I walked in there and they had 0 in stock. They had the display one. I was able to purchase that. That's why the time is perfect right now. I'm taking it right out of the box. It was already set up in the store. But who cares? Let's look at that. Oh, that's nice, huh? I'm more of a purple kind of guy. The guys in the band, they call me Lavender. That's one of my many aliases. But I do like this pink. You got your pink on the bezel, on your light button, again, countering the brown strap. Oh, that's cool. You got your Hardee's logo in the strap there. That's a nice little touch. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, actually, first let's check the back. You got your Hardee's custom logo right in there. 3529 module. Very nice. Let's get this GWM 5610U off. Yeah, I think that's the model. All these model numbers, Jesus. All right, there we go. That's a beautiful watch. I was afraid, how am I going to like the brown? But it's cool, man. It's a fucking cool. Oh, whoa. Hey now. This is a cool watch. I don't usually drop F-bombs on here. It's for the children. In case the children are watching this. But yeah, check it out. There's your backlight again. Standard 6900. I don't need to go over everything. This is a DW-6900. It's one of the most classic watches they ever made. And I dig it. It's going to go into the collection. I see these going for a high value on eBay already. United States market only. So Europeans and people in Japan and elsewhere, they're importing these. I'm really happy to have one. I like having, I'm not going to lie to you, I like having limited edition models. And it builds a nice collection of them. I enjoy it. Some of them I don't keep, some of them I sell, but this one I'm keeping, I believe. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please throw me a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Keeps the channel growing. That's what we're trying to do around here. Bring some new, unique content to everybody. Have a good one, and how you doing?